The Kenya Bureau of Standards has suspended 7 peanut butter products currently on sale in the market, and the companies manufacturing them instructed to discontinue and recall all substandard product as well as institute corrective measures. The standards body says that the suspension follows test results which confirm that their levels of aflatoxin are higher than the maximum limit allowed. The products are True Nuts by True Nuts Kenya, Fresi by Fresic Food Company Limited, Supermeal by Super Cosmo Products Limited, Nutties by Jetlag Foods, Sue's Naturals by Nature's Way Health, Zesta by True Foods Limited, and Nutty by Nature by Target Distributors. KEBS has also suspended the permits for those companies which allow them to use the standardization mark and has also directed them to recall all their products in the market.